Good morning, adventurers. So the last time you saw us, we were leaving Oslo and heading to New York. What we ended up doing was we took a flight back to Missouri, where our family is, and we hung out with them for the last week or so, just taking a break from the vlog and taking a break from travel for a week. But now we're back at it, and we are going to be exploring the USA for the next few weeks.
So we are currently in Tennessee. We drove down here yesterday. We are going to Fall Creek Falls State Park, and we are going to go see some waterfalls. This park has the biggest waterfall in Tennessee.
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Tennessee 284 East.
Shut up, Siri.
We're going to take up the drone, and it should be pretty cool.
It's gonna be nice. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be sweet. We have to go across this epic suspension bridge. Wow, this is fly. I gotta admit, this is a little scary.
It's really...
This bridge really shakes
wobbly.
quite a bit.
And duct tape.
Just a little duct tape to hold it together. This is literally a duct tape bridge.
No big deal, totally safe.
So we're not the most avid hikers or anything like that, but we really enjoy it and we want to do it a lot more. So it'd be cool if you guys could tell us in the comment section below what your favorite hiking spots are anywhere in the world, because we're gonna make kind of a list of them, and anytime we're in one of those locations, we're gonna try to, you know, check out those hiking spots.
Yeah, but P.S. we'll be headed down to Texas pretty soon. So if there are any around that area in particular, let us know.
We had no idea we were this high up. So this, I don't know how well it translates on the camera, but this is very scary. We saw a more epic lookout around the waterfall. It should be down here somewhere.
So it's 256 feet. It's the highest waterfall east of the Rocky Mountains.
This one is?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. There's a random football if you need it. Not gonna lie, this path is getting a little bit treacherous.
These rocks are really slick.
Yeah. I used to skateboard when I was younger, and I twist my ankles all the time. So now that I'm older, my ankles are all weak. So any wrong step, and I'll be on the ground screaming.
wonderland.
Yeah. Check this out, you guys. That's insane. Everything's frozen down here. Wow. This is a really cool spot down here, but it's also very wet, and my camera is completely soaked at this point, so we're getting out of here. We were on our way out, but we heard another waterfall off in the distance and found this sweet overlook, so we're gonna check it out before we leave. Pretty high up. We ended up going about a mile out of our way to the wrong spot. The opposite of where the car is. We might die out here, guys. I don't know.
Y'all, that was so pretty.
That was freaking sweet.
Knew there were so many waterfalls. So this whole region, there's a whole bunch of state parks around here. There's all kinds of other ones that have waterfalls, but we just wanted to see the tallest one.
Yeah, we really want to come back here and spend more time in Tennessee. We were actually, fun fact, we used to live in Tennessee, in Nashville, for about 5 years. From like 2005 to 2010 or so.
Yeah, I went to school there, got married there. We didn't bring any food or beverages on this trip, and it's been about 3 hours, so we're very hungry. We're gonna
go get a
find
bite
some
to
food.
eat. We're back at our little cabin now. Just want to give you guys a little look around. This place is pretty charming.
Yeah, you guys, you know you are back in the U.S. and in the South when your cabin is Annie Oakley themed and they literally have guns on the wall.
It's a Winchester carbine. The gun that won the West. That's pretty badass.
Yeah.
We're trying to be more responsible and quit eating out so much, so we ended up just going to the only grocery store in town, getting some vegetables. We're gonna make ourselves a little pasta. This girl's cooking up some dinner over here.
Woo!
Got some pasta boiling, got some zucchini and some squash. It's gonna be good. It smells good already.
Yeah, it's always a gamble seeing what the kind of utensils they have
That
at
is very true.
Airbnbs and wherever we stay.
But they have a trusty plastic spoon,
They always have that.
so we're all set.
And a pretty gross cutting board that I washed for a very long time, but it still looks
You
questionable.
just can't think about how unsanitary it is. We've also got a couple Pilsners left that we've been partaking of. Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It's officially time for bed. As usual, we've been chilling, watching some stories.
Yes.
Last Man on Earth.
Oh,
We
yeah.
flip-flop around shows like crazy. I feel like every time we end the vlog, we're watching a different show.
I promise we work really late and then to unwind, we watch a show. But we're headed to South Carolina, North Carolina.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
The other Carolina.
One of the Carolinas. And it's going to be real fun. I'm real excited. Good night, adventures.
We'll see you on the road.